With or without your permission, I'd like to have an intimate talk about VD. Of course, that's Valentine's Day, and I'm sure that's exactly what you were thinking. Like all holidays, real or imagined, Valentine's Day can be extra painful for Dented Cans. Our love lives in general are often tales of horror that would make old Stephen King flinch rather than precious memories to cherish in our old age. We all seem to get stuck with the wrong one, don't we? It doesn't matter the scenario. He's a jerk. She's a bitch. Blah, blah, blah. Why does it seem that everyone else can get it together, but we never do? I was in this camp far too long, but I'm not there anymore. Why? Because I had a revelation that changed my entire way of thinking. How can any of us find love if we don't first love ourselves? Whitney Houston sang about it years ago, but I still didn't get it. I was too busy blaming everyone and everything else but myself. It takes effort to love ourselves, just as it does to love someone else. But one can't happen without the other. Maybe you don't have your dream partner today, but you can do exactly that. Start dreaming about who you'd like to be with, and ask, why would they want to be with you? You'll have to be at your best to attract the best, and that is also a process. You can't change your life until you change your thoughts. Make up your mind to find the person of your dreams, and don't give up until you do. And I hope you do. So happy VD, that's Valentine's Day, to you and your future partner.